हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम देखने वाले द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल नाउ. ओके, व्हाट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन? एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन is only one now. Okay, so in that case, one hydrogen atom which is combines with another hydrogen atom, because in its outermost shell of a hydrogen only one electron is present now. Okay, so that's why it only creates only single bond now. Okay, so this is the structure of a hydrogen atom. This is the first hydrogen atom, this is the second hydrogen. Both of these two hydrogen atoms, it produce the non-polar covalent bond between each others now. Okay, what is by covalent bond? That is sharing between two electrons. Okay, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे ना. Okay, so it creates like this structure. Okay, that is a one hydrogen atom, this is the single another hydrogen atom. Both of these two hydrogen atoms, they are combined with each other to produce the non-polar covalent bond now. Okay, understand this concept? Thank you.